Shooting is a favorite game amongst many outdoor folks. They like to sense the acrid smell of burnt gunpowder and fall in love with this game when they make precise shots from a far distance. And when it's about creating accurate shots, every shooter, especially beginners, cannot deny the need for red dot sights. This piece of shooting equipment lets them aim easily and make accurate shots. However, some beginner shooters cannot use all types of red dot sights. Therefore, in today's video, we have covered the 5 top red dot sights for beginners that are easy to operate and provide the best performance. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Designed with RMR's patented shape while offering ruggedized durability and proven accuracy, the Trijicon RMRcc will help you improve target acquisition and lets you shoot accurately. This red dot sight is specially engineered to fit many popular pistols and offers increased durability. Such a design reduces the risk of snags and helps you draw fast. As it is waterproof up to 20 meters, you can confidently shoot in the rain. It comes with a multi-coated lens which ensures wide-band light transmission for minimal change in target color. Besides, it has 8 brightness adjustment settings, including 1 super bright mode and 2 night vision modes. This pistol sight's other striking features are lock-in and lock-out mode. With the help of a button, you can either lock in your preferred brightness or rely on the auto brightness setting. Overall, this Trijicon RMRcc is compact, rugged, durable, and compatible with most pistols that you can use to increase your shooting accuracy. Featuring 3 MOA dot, promoting rapid target acquisition and providing the precise point of aim, this Vortex Venom offers unmatched performance compared to sights of its price range. It's got a durable aluminum housing that'll stand up to anything you throw at it. This pistol red dot sight comes with a multi-coated lens that offers a clean and wide field of view. It has 10 adjustable brightness modes. You can choose either one setting or leave it on auto mode to get the best view of your target. This pistol sight also contains windage elevation buttons, which make sighting a breeze. This feature allows you to adjust elevation up to 130 MOA and windage up to 100 MOA. Finally, this 1.1 ounce pistol sight has a highly durable battery that offers 30,000 hours of runtime in a low setting. And with this top-load system, you can change this battery in a snap. So when you need a small, light yet powerful sight for target shooting, this Vortex Venom has got you covered. Offering you immediate speed and accuracy, this Burris FastFire III mounts easily on your pistol and puts a big red dot on your target, making shooting more accurate and precise. It's crafted from heavy-duty material and features a matte finish, ensuring optimal toughness and longevity. This pistol sight is available in both 3 and 8 MOA dot, ideal for beginners and ultimate shooters. This red dot sight has got multi-coated lens, which provides you with 1x magnification, and so you can make accurate shots while your eyes are fully open. Besides sights, it offers horizontal deviation of up to 86 MOA and vertical deviation of up to 115 MOA, an added plus for the target shooting. This pistol red dot sight is pretty lightweight, weighing only 1.5 ounces, which does not put much weight, so you can easily maneuver your pistol. In summary, with decent magnification and optical clarity, this Burris FastFire III can help you in your practice ground for target shooting. Ensuring quicker and more precise target acquisition, the Trijicon RMR Type II is specially designed to help you in both small and big games and will take your shooting to the next level. This pistol red dot sight features aluminum forged housing and contains a matte finish, so its shockproof body delivers rock-solid performance round after round. This pistol sight is also waterproof up to 20 meters, so a downpour cannot stop you from accurate shooting. Its multi-coated lens creates wide-band light transmission and offers 1x magnification so that you get a complete field of view and shoot both eyes open. A windage elevation button provides you with 1 MOA per click that facilitates your shooting. This 1.2 ounce red dot sight also comes with a tritium phosphor lamp that illuminates the crisp dot in low light conditions and allows you to track moving games efficiently. All said, if you're looking into the accurate acquisition while shooting from various spots, this Trijicon RMR Type II will impress you with its fast and precise performance. Combining high-end technology with high-grade optics, the HOLOSUN HS507C X2 provides unmatched performance for target shooters and is praised as sought-after shooting gear by professionals. It is made out of 7075 G6 aluminum and has an anodized surface, thus it can absorb shock and ensure that this pistol red dot sight lasts for an extended period. Apart from that, it's got an IPC7 rating, which means you can conveniently shoot in the rain. This pistol sight comes with a multi-coated lens which offers 1x magnification for open eyes shooting, plus it features a windage elevation function and you can adjust up to a 1 MOA per click. This red dot sight contains 12 brightness settings, including 10 daylight and 2 night vision modes that match your ambient light conditions. There are some additional functions as well. This 1.5 ounce red dot sight features solar fail-safe technology, which keeps the dot illuminated with solar power. Overall, this HOLOSUN HS507C X2 is loaded with all the top-notch features that'll help you with target shooting while making precise shots from a far distance. So that was all about the 5 top red dot sights for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.